Loro is a platform to sell and distribute specialty insurance online. It provides everything needed so that you don't have to go through complex integrations. In this video, I'll explain different ways you can access your data, to either analyze it, or, if you're up for the challenge, integrate it into other systems. The easiest way to analyze your performance is by using the dashboard, which is the landing page after you log into Loro. The dashboard provides real-time information about your accounts. This means that every transaction processed on Loro is immediately reflected on the dashboard. There are 6 reports available at this time. The first one is the total gross written premium for the ongoing year. That's the first card right here. The second one is the total policies bound in the ongoing year. The third card is about the average premium per policy in the ongoing year. And the fourth card right here is the total number of active policyholders. In other words, the number of policyholders with at least one enforced policy. Then we have right here the applications per status. So we can see the breakdown of applications based on their current status. And finally, the evolution of the gross written premium in the past 12 months. You can drill down in any of the reports by clicking on them. You can also filter this list. For example, I could filter by policyholder. You can also click on the ID to get more information on the policy. Now let's go back to the dashboard. My dashboard is configured to show the US dollar as a reporting currency. This can be changed anytime with immediate effect. This is because every time a policy is bound, Loro fetches the exchange rate for every currency in the world. This is the currency menu. So I could change to Swiss franc, and the effect is immediate, as you can see here. Or I could go for Colombian pesos. If you need to build your own reports, there are 2 ways to go forward. The first way is to export a list of policies. From the policies page, right here, you can export the list as an Excel, CSV, or PDF file by just clicking on these buttons right here. For example, if you wanted to export a CSV file of all the kidnap and ransom bound policies, you would filter the products by kidnap and ransom, then the status equals the bound, and you export the file right here. And here is the file. The last way to access your data is by using the Loro API. This will require some basic programming skills, so it might not be for everyone. Let's proceed to the API page. The API enables a download of raw information of applications, policyholders, invoices, partners, and claims notifications. All information you can integrate in legacy systems or import in business analytics software. By default, the API is disabled. 3 simple steps are required to get started. First, activate the API. Secondly, generate an API key. This is a secret key. You should never share it with anyone. Authorize your network to make API calls by whitelisting your public IP address. If you don't know what your public IP address is, you can ask Google. So just copy that string and paste it in the list. The API is very simple to use. You can check the following documentation for more information. For example, the API reference. There is a description, the parameters used, and the type of answer returned for each endpoint. If you don't need to access the API anymore, it is highly recommended to disable it. I showed you 3 ways to access your data. The first one is in the dashboard with reports that can be drilled down. The second one is in the policies page by exporting a file in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. And the third one is using the Loro API for advanced integrations. If this video was useful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you very much for watching.